Thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today is day 1 of my Advent series from Cora Crea Crafts, where I'm going to be unboxing my Advent package each day and then trying to create something for a junk journal using the items in the package. So we're going to open this up and see what we've got. I love this paper, so I want to make sure to try to save and preserve the paper as much as possible, and I'm trying to preserve the stickers for each day. So let's see what we've got. Each one of the packages are wrapped in this owl and floral background paper. I absolutely love that. I think I want to create a whole journal using this background paper. I'm not sure if it'll be the journal that I use this stuff for, but I definitely want to create with this. Alright, let's see what we've got for day 1. Okay, we've got a letter writing stationery box, medieval inspired. We've got some beautiful unicorns here. I'm going to take it out of the plastic wrap so you can see that better. It says content 8 clear sticker sheets, 16 letter writing sheets, and 8 envelopes. So let's open this up and see what we've got here. Alright. So that wasn't on the packaging, so we can still read that. Now you can see that a little bit better without the shine of the plastic. Love these unicorns and the floral background paper in here. Very similar to the background here, except this is more vintage. Alright, let's open this up and see what we've got. Alright. Deliver to, these are our envelopes. Oh, the envelopes are all different. Okay, cool. Got some damask pattern there. More unicorns, but in a different color there. Again, more unicorns. They are in shades of different colors. I'm going to put these out so we can see the different shades and coloring here. We got 4 and in the damask pattern in the different shades and colors. There's the backs. And we've got 4 in the different color patterns with the unicorns. And then that's the back. So that's our 8 envelopes. And then it says we've got 8 clear sticker sheets and 16 writing sheets. So I'm guessing these are the clear sticker sheets. Let's take a look at these. Alright. Oh, they look like, they kind of feel like vellum. That's cool. Got different logos, looks like crest and crowns. It did say medieval inspired, so definitely getting that vibe from these. These are really cool. They seem to be the same pattern, but different colors. Love the thistle. I think this is probably my favorite. The vintage mossy green. Alright, those are beautiful. Alright, so we got 8 sticker sheets. And then we got the 16 patterned papers. I'm going to set this to the side. I'll look at that a little bit more in a minute. We got the 16 writing sheets. Looks like it's very similar patterned to the envelopes. The unicorn with the different color backgrounds. And then the damask pattern here. I'm guessing we've got 8 unicorns and 8 damask patterns, since it said 16 sheets. Separating these out so we can look at the colors. Alright, these are the colors for the unicorns. See if I can spread this out a little bit so we can kind of see that. It's got a great feel and thickness to it. A little bit heavier than regular copy paper, not as heavy as cardstock. Alright, that's what we've got for the unicorn ones. Alright, I think probably my favorite of these is this one. And then for the damask pattern, spread these out and see what we've got. That's our 8 color sheets there. And since how this one gives a little bit of a purple vibe, that's probably my favorite one there out of all of those. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video, think about this just a little bit, grab some supplies, and I'm going to come back. I did want to show you the little package this came in. This would make a great folio all on its own, because it has a little depth pocket there. So I'm going to pause the video, grab some supplies, and I'll be right back. I've grabbed a few items that I might want to play with. I'll show you what I've got. I don't know that I'll use it all, but I did want to try to challenge myself to do some different things with this kit. So for the advent calendar, I picked out one of the sheets that has the unicorn background, and I also picked out the purple damask pattern and the purple damask envelope. And the stickers that were the sage mossy green with the brown images. And from my stash, this is what I've grabbed. Again, I don't know that I'll use all this, but this is something I thought I could create with. I picked out 2 distress inks in forest moss and walnut stain. I grabbed a chipboard frame from Tim Holtz. I've got a piece of coffee dyed paper. I grabbed some of my dies that are labels. I have a piece of packing material I got out of a package I had gotten this week. It feels like vellum. I want to try to experiment with this alcohol pearl. This is the color Scorch. I've never used this before, so I want to test this out, kind of see how that works. And then I grabbed some stamps. Show you what I grabbed here. Get it out of the pack. Well, might not want to use those. I grabbed some background stamps with some wording and just some stamps that would put some color in the background. I grabbed some that have like labels for like specimen card type things, a wildflower background, some dragonflies, that kind of thing there. And I grabbed more label stamps with numbers and background labels, that kind of thing. I also might use some of the packing material to create. Not sure exactly what I'm going to create at this point, so I'm going to set this to music so that I can speed this up a little bit, because I don't know exactly how long this is going to take me to create, because this is going to be creating on the fly with just what I have here. Finished the project for day one for the advent calendar. I decided to collage the front of this envelope. To create this, I used some coffee dyed paper that I did some tearing, some distress inking with the forest moss, and some stamping in the background. I used the writing paper and took one of the unicorn images and framed that with one of the chipboard frames that I had. I did take the chipboard off the back of the frame so it wouldn't be so thick. I used the alcohol pearl with the vellum packing material that I had and tore a strip of that and layered that in the collage. And I found some dried pressed flowers that I had on my desk, so I decided to collage those with some collage medium, and then used one of the stickers from the Advent kit. And I had a sentiment strip, The Secrets of Everyday Things. I thought that worked well with this envelope collage here. So I've really enjoyed day one of this Cora Crea Crafts advent calendar. So be sure to hit the like button, the subscription button, and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. So remember, every day from December 1st to December 24th, I will be putting up a video opening the packet of the day and then doing something creating with it. In the spirit of the attic here, I always tell y'all to grab your favorite beverage, and today my favorite beverage is winter spice tea that I am drinking in my favorite Christmas teacup, and I've also decided I wanted to open up and treat myself after each one of these daily advent videos a little advent chocolate box that I picked up. So I want to go ahead and open day one. And we'll flip it over to the back and see what kind of chocolate I got. It looks like I got the almond flavored one. So I am going to sit back, enjoy my chocolate and my tea, and until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.